Yes, that was totally me doing that. No, it wasn't. Did you guys know that game existed? Now you do. We're going to play Trick Shot by Imagic. No, there's no intro screen. There's no about section. It's just not there. So, this game sets you back a couple bucks, and we can do some trick shots. It's kind of cheap. Not bad. Not bad at all. But let's see if we can do the spins like those guys did. We'll give it a shot. I'm going to be a professional pool player tonight. Yay me. Okay, Twin Galaxies, I'm coming for you. Told you. I'm gonna get a record here eventually. Alright, Target 2600 BCS or 2600 plus. I'm an emulator, so I'm gonna go with a 2600, I guess. There's 18 records over 0 records. Ooh. I could make a record right here. But I'm not on the terms of, I'm trying to be honest about it. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Go. Alright, Mark Belt. How the hell do you get 100% playing pool? Look at all these people. All of them got 100%. Wowie, wow, wow. Huh. Well, I'm not going to be able to do it because, you know, I don't play a game the whole way through. So, alright, let's play. Okay, let's be a professional pool player. With trick shots. I don't think I've played pool in a couple of years. This will be kind of fun. Alright, let's play. Bam! Wait, I only got one ball to shoot against? Is there like a gauge marker? Or... what do I do here? I just press the button? Hey, I got it. So, is that a little... You'd think it'd be like a gauge marker thing. Yeah, let's use the... Okay, here we go. Got it. Bank shot. Oh no, that was the wrong way. Alright, I'm still trying to figure it out. None of you guys have the instruction booklet for this either, so... Trick shot. I don't think there's a power counter. I don't know if I can... Is there power? No. Let's just shoot it. Huh. I think this would be better with a... Oh no. Oh no. I think this would be better with a controller. I'm on an emulator. Okay, I can... Oh, I can totally do this. Bam! Nope. I don't know where the ball's going. Go. Oh, combo shot. Trick shot. Combo. So it's going this way. I don't think there's a power thing, but I can do a combo shot here. Bam! Wait, how'd that happen? Oh, I got a combo. Oh, hell yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. I didn't even mean to do that.